If your apps or 3D apps are crashing unexpectedly or showing errors, there are a few things you can do to help resolve this. One of the first options to try is to reinstall the app. If you prefer not to do this first, then go on to the next step. Try updating your operating system and resetting the app. Go into Settings, then Update and Security, and select Windows Update to check for and take care of any necessary updates. Then back in Settings, select Apps, choose the app from the list, click on Advanced Options, and hit the Reset button. Next, go into the Microsoft Store, select the Account menu, then Settings, and under App Updates, set Update Apps Automatically to On, and check to see if all this resolves the issue. If the previous steps were unsuccessful, run the Windows Store Troubleshooter. Go back into Settings, select Update and Security, then Troubleshoot. Scroll down and click on the Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter. The Troubleshooter will scan for possible Universal Windows Platform apps errors, and if it finds any, it will automatically try to remedy them. When done, reboot your system. There are also a few administrator commands that you can run. Right-click on the Windows Start button and select PowerShell Admin. At the prompt, type wsreset.exe and hit Enter. This will reset the Microsoft Windows Store. Wait till it's complete, then restart your computer. Then go back into the Windows PowerShell Admin and type fsc/scan now and enter. This runs the Windows System File Checker, which will take a little longer, so be patient. If there are any errors or corrupted files, it will work at fixing them. When it's done, restart your computer. Now back in the Windows PowerShell Admin one more time, enter the command dism/online/cleanup-image/restore health. This scans your system for possible component store corruption, which takes much longer to complete. Depending on the level of corruption, it can take anywhere from 10 to 15 minutes to a few hours. So don't cancel it because it will stay at 20% for a while before continuing. After it's done, restart your system. If none of these steps did the trick, watch our video, Fix Windows 10 Performance, and follow the instructions to do a system restore. If you still need help or have any questions, contact Dell Tech Support through social media on Facebook or Twitter, or join in a chat on the Dell Community Forum. Be sure to check out our other tips and tutorials on this channel, and if you like this video, give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching!